It's been a great opportunity actually to be part of this program. And what I like most is like once you get involved in such, you get to know that teamwork is actually what makes the dream work. Understand? Initially, we had a great presentation and we had a great team. I have to congratulate my team for that presentation because honestly, within a short period, we were able to achieve like something great. You understand? So it just gives me the belief that teamwork is what actually makes the dream work, and I'm happy about that. And going for our practicals as well, like Lauren said, I've also learned that we need to demonstrate, like simulate what we teach. In doing that, we can also learn and also make the person that we are teaching understand what we are actually explaining, and not just by saying the word. Well, I'm just happy that we are all here, and I just hope when we finish this program, somehow we will try and maintain the group that we have so that we can share our experiences.